Oh, not this way?
No, not this way.
This is the Gota RC car. It's 1/18 scale. It's a high-speed remote control car. So this is actually one of the smallest RC cars that I've reviewed, but it is also one of the fastest. It does have four-wheel drive, so it controls very well, and it can go up to speeds of about 20 miles an hour. Out of the box, you get the instructions and parts booklet, you get the RC car itself, you get a remote control that takes 2 AA batteries, and you get the battery charger. So the RC car has a push button for turning on and off, so you don't actually need to remove a cover or anything like that to turn it on. If you do need to remove the cover to replace the battery, you only need to remove the 2 pins to get the cover off. There is another pin for the battery itself. Everything is very compact, so you get a lot of great features in an RC car, but it is still very small in size. The remote control has 2 switches. One switch is for speed. You can do slow and fast, or slow and normal, I guess. The other switch is for reverse steering. I don't know why you would want to do that, but maybe some people do, like if you're left-handed or something, I don't know. There is also a wheel trim knob. So I do want to point out that one thing I really like about having the switch for slow to fast is this actually allows me to put it on the slow speed, and I can give it to my 3-year-old son, and I don't have to worry about him driving it into the curb or driving like crazy because the car is going pretty slow. So he really loves to play with this thing. So it's a great toy that I can play with it on fast speed, he can play with it on slow speed, we can both play with the same car. That's really nice. Overall, it's a really fantastic car. Like, because it has 4-wheel drive, it handles very well in most terrains. With its small size though, it does tend to go a bit slower in the grass compared to cars that have slightly larger wheels. The small size also makes it seem to go quite a bit faster than it actually is. And also because it's small, it allows for tighter turns and a little bit faster control. So I've ended up really liking the small size more than I thought I would. I think this is kind of the perfect car for me because I can play with it and my son can play with it as well. I'm very happy with this car. I will go ahead and post a link to the Amazon page for this car so you can check out some of the specs and you can check out the current price on Amazon. Thanks.